Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup. Making delicious soup at home is a rewarding experience, and it all begins with selecting the right components. First, gather fresh, high-quality ingredients. They are the foundation of any great soup. Next, choose an appropriate cooking vessel, such as a sturdy Dutch oven, which ensures even heat distribution. Finally, prepare your foundational aromatics like onions, carrots, and celery, finely diced and ready to build flavor. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to build the flavor base. Begin by sautéing your diced aromatics in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat for approximately 5 minutes until they become tender and fragrant. Then, incorporate your chosen spices and dried herbs, allowing them to toast for about 30 seconds to release their full aroma. Finally, deglaze the pot with 1/2 cup of wine or broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom, which adds incredible depth. With your flavor base established, it's time to add the main liquid. Pour in about 4 cups of your chosen broth or stock, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow the soup to cook, uncovered, for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all your vegetables are perfectly tender. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can create a roux with butter and flour, or simply puree 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender for a creamy texture. The final steps involve perfecting the taste and presentation. Taste your soup and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, freshly ground pepper, and perhaps a splash of acid, like 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Just before serving, stir in delicate fresh herbs, such as 1/4 cup of chopped parsley or cilantro, for a burst of freshness. Serve your warm, comforting homemade soup immediately, perhaps alongside some crusty bread for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.